Hello everyone, Aditya here from JetSoftTech. In this session, we are going to discuss about the interest calculations, account balance interest calculation. We have defined interest calculation types OB46, prepare account balance interest calculation OBAA, define reference interest rates OBAC, define time dependent terms OB81, enter interest rates OB83, creation of a GL account for specifically for calculation of interest and for maintaining the interest, assignment of accounts for automatic postings OBV2, and posting of term loan is F-02, and repayment of term loan also is F-02, and interest calculations whatever we have done till now will be displayed in the F.52. These are the transaction codes that are involved. So let's go ahead and start the configurations now with OB46. That's the interest calculation types. So we have OB46, and in the OB46 we are going to create interest calculation types. I'm clicking new entries, and in this I'm creating interest calculation type of V8. Interest calculation type is item interest calculation, balance interest calculation, and penalty interest calculation. There are three types of interest calculations we have. So item interest calculation is if we have purchased or sold one product, and for that particular product, if at all the full payment is not done, you are going to calculate the interest based on the item, not based on the amount to, paid and what amount is balanced. So here we have balance interest calculation is something like they have paid some amount, and for only the remaining amount we will go for the balance interest calculation. And penalty interest calculation is for getting the interest calculated for one penalty. So let's say for example the amount have to be done repaid in 1 month, but it is now second month, so we'll go for penalty interest calculation. So first one is item interest calculation. We'll go for that. Save, own request. In this we'll go ahead with the process. So we have saved a interest calculation type as V8. Now once we have done interest calculation type as V8, and then we have to go for prepare account balance interest calculation OBAA. OBAA, we need to create the account balance interest calculation. Go for new entries, and in this interest calculation indicator we'll get as a V process, and interest calculation frequency is 1 month. I'll take it as 1 month. Every month we are calculating the interest, and settlement day is 10th of every month. And calendar type, we have to give the calendar type. Calendar type is 330 of 365, and it's a month end indicator. If you want to give anything, you can give it, and you can also give a limit like this interest calculation will be applicable up to 10,000 rupees. Just save it. Currency, we need to give the currency here is INR, and then save it. And then we have created the interest calculation balance interest calculation as OBAA. We've done that. Then we have to go for define reference interest rates OBAC. Define reference interest rates, new entries, and reference interest rate is also VPRO. Okay, just we are giving all these details here in the reference interest calculation. Please remember this reference interest calculation what we have here. So VPRO, say OK, save it. Now come back. Now once the reference interest calculation has been done, to go for define time dependent terms OB81. Time dependent terms OB81. So we'll go for new entries, and here we have to go for time dependent interest calculation indicator is again VPRO, INR, and effective from 29/04 terms. Credit interest arrears. There are different types of terms actually. Credit interest, arrears interest calculation, balance interest, arrears interest calculation, debit and credit. So there will be two types of interest. One is credit, another is debit. So in this we have in credit again we have arrears and balance, and debit again we have arrears and balances. So I'm selecting credit entry, and we are not giving any reference here. Just say okay, back. And then what we have is here enter interest rates. Interest rate is like, do you want to give the interest rate as 8% per annum or 10% per annum? All these things we have to mention in OB83. OB83. So in the OB83 we'll go ahead with the new interest rates. Reference is like for example, like we can give reference, the reference interest calculation. What is that we have given reference interest calculation now? VPRO or VIPR? VIPR. Was it VIPR? It will be there here. It will be there in the V. Reference interest calculation valid from interest rate. We are going to give the interest rate here. Whatever in reference interest calculation here, reference interest OBAC. What did we create there? OBAC. Yeah, VPRO, right? So VPRO is what we created here. So we'll go ahead with the enter interest rates OB83. Interest rates valid from, and rate of interest is 8% is what we are calculating, or you can also give it as 12%. 12% of this can be considered. Save it, VPRO, and then what we have to do is come back, new interest rates. So now here VPR1, I am creating a new one. It is not accepting because that reference interest calculation type we have not defined. Since we defined VPRO, it was taking. Now it is not taking this because it was not created. Yeah. Next, we'll go ahead with the GL account, FS00, just for maintaining the interest. So we'll go for FS00, and in FS00 will create something like, let's check the OBD4. Now in the OBD4 position, and the chart of accounts is VPRO, and for the VPRO we have interest rate, loan and advances 200501, 200503, and VPRO is the company code. Create, and here balance sheet account, here we need to go for loan and advances. Only balances in local currency. Line item 001, credit, here we go for G001, save, then back 200503. So 200503 we have it. Now what we have to do is we are created the GL account as 200503. Now assignment of accounts for automatic postings OBV2, assignment of document accounts. So we have to go for accounts, we'll go for accounts, VPRO, okay. So account symbol, we can give some account symbol here. GL account, whatever we do, you remember the GL account that we created just now? 200503, right? That should be there. And symbol, account symbol is something like which selected is VPRO. VPRO. So we have some standard account symbols. I'm making use of standard symbols. So I'll take this 00 and 0001 interest received. Say enter. Just save it. Okay. So application is 0004, and we just, what did we do is we assignment of account for automatic posting. So we have just assigned an account for this interest. So whatever interest will be calculated, that will be automatically assigned to that account. Posting of term loan is F-02. So F-02. F-02, we just posting the document. So document was posted. So enter GL account. This is F-02. We have GL account. So in the OBV2 transaction, what exactly we have is we have done the accounts now here. We just assigned one account, but in this OBV2, what we have to do is we have to also create. So in this we have the business transaction. That is the business transaction we have here is debit interest. We are calculating the debit interest, and the company code is VPRO, and the interest indicator also was VPRO. Business area is also VPRO. Interest indicator VPRO is not different. What is the interest indicator that you define? Yeah, VIPR. We create as VIPR. So item, and then we have posting key. The posting key you can give it as invoice or reverse. I'll give it as interest. Interest paid or interest received. Either of these two. We can take both. One for debit entry, one for credit entry. So we can just say save. This is something which we have to do in OB52. OBV2. Yeah. So now we have a loan account and we have a cash account. So we can create a account in which we have F-02, wherein we can create a account in the account. We have cash balance, interest 1000, so 50. We have loan and advances here. Save 1000. Save, and this 13 was saved. So what exactly we are doing is we are making use of the account that just now we created in the previous steps. And that account is what we are going to make use of for creating the F-02. And interest calculations F-52 will be displayed only when we have couple of interest, either debit or credit. So F-52 is the one. we have chart of accounts as VPRO, but calculation